the hotel. It's such good weather. It's like not too hot. Got all of the accessories and sunglasses and jewelry and headbands and scrunchies and belts and fanny packs and Romeo's jewelry all laid out so that we can see everything when we start to get ready. All of our shoes and outfits kind of put together. Some flowy stuff, some stripes, depending on how I'm feeling. Black outfit, some extra shorts. So for day one, this is my outfit. So I have this like leopard black and kind of green, leopard? What is this? Snakeskin. What the heck is this? Both? It kind of looks like both. Maybe snakeskin from Topshop, and it's high-waisted, and I'm gonna wear it with this like maroon colored lace bra from Forever 21, and then Metallica tee that I cropped and kind of distressed a little bit, like I put some holes around the collar and then rolled the sleeves. And for my shoes, I'm thinking I'm gonna wear these boots. My feet are probably gonna hurt. That's why I'm doing this on day one, so that I can just get it over with and then reevaluate tomorrow. That's for day one. So it is day 2 of Coachella. Yesterday, we walked around, we saw a few people. We saw LMA, 1975. Who else did we see? Yesterday was kind of like a light day. There wasn't very many people that I wanted to see yesterday. Diplo was yesterday. It is officially day 2 of the festival, and I thought it'd be fun if you got ready with me today. So the first thing that I always do is cleanse my face, and I totally forgot to bring my cleanser, which I'm really sad about. I use SkinCeuticals for sensitive skin, the mild cleanser, and I really like it. I use it in combination with these daily facial towelettes that I get from Costco. They come in like a big box, and you like have like a 6-month supply of them. Next, I put on this Vichy Laboratories Lift Active Serum. Just put a little small dab on your finger and put it all over your face. And with serums, you can either go like this and kind of push it into your pores. You could also use a roller. This serum fights aging and it's affirming, and I've seen a huge improvement in just kind of the tone of my skin. Next, I use this BioElements Absolute Moisture Cream and then rub it in. And always put on any serums or any moisturizer in an upwards motion, because if you like pull your face down for years and years and years, you'll sag when you're older. In a lot of places that you don't want to sag. Next, I use Supergoo CC cream in the light and medium, and it's SPF 35. Sunscreen on your face is literally the best thing that you can do for your skin. After my moisturizer, I just rub it into my whole face. So after that, we prime. Bare Minerals Prime Time. This was actually a sample that I got that's lasting forever. And I just squeeze a little bit of it on my finger. I actually, this is probably wrong, and my friend Denise is probably gonna tell me, but I've never asked her. I don't prime my entire face. I just prime, maybe I do. I just like mostly focus under my eyes and my forehead and around my mouth. Also going to put primer on my eyelids for my eyeshadow. While that dries, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. So I just use a brush and brush my eyebrows in an upward motion. And I'm not a beauty guru at all. This is like everyday makeup a normal girl like me does. I just do what works for me. So maybe you'll like it too. For my eyebrows, I use this Sephora waterproof crayon retractable brow pencil. This helps create like hairs in your eyebrows. Instead of it being like full-on lines, I just fill in where I need to shape my brows. So like that. So you can kind of see the difference. I don't like my eyebrows like overly dark and like in your face. Okay, so now that my eyebrows are done, let me show you the outfit that I'm gonna wear today, and then we'll get started on my eye makeup. So this is how I find RJ after day 1 of Coachella. Hello? Today I'm gonna wear these like Topshop jeans. They're high-waisted, really flattering on, with this velvet Zara kind of bra top with this rhinestone top I got on Melrose. I kind of altered this top too. And then I'm thinking maybe this like gold chain belt. This is from Urban with my Fila's. I'm thinking since it's all black that I'm gonna do kind of like purple. So I have my Morphe James Charles palette. He has this color palette right here, Kylie's peach palette, which also has this like lighter color purple that I can pair with it. I'm gonna do the Love That. Annoying air conditioner just came on next to me, so the sound's gonna be a little different. So I'm gonna mix this purple with this brown, and I'm gonna do that right on the corner of my lid. Now in the center of my lid, I'm gonna do this like lighter color purple right in the center, and then fade to this Kylie one, berry purple. Just gonna blend right under my eyebrow. I'm using the NARS concealer in light to vanilla. Put a little bit right in the corner. Using a little small beauty blender. So I use the Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder, and I leave it on for a little bit. Pretty sure that's what they call baking. Could be wrong. You can let me know in the comments. So I just take a beauty blender and just blot it. And I just let that sit there. I'm gonna use a little bit of powder since I'm not using any foundation. So I'm just using the Sephora Micro Smooth in medium sand. I use this to death. My Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick Compact, and it's like a bronzing palette, bronzing brush. Little smaller brush. And I just use the bronzing strip at the bottom, and I use it kind of to contour my nose instead of using like a contour stick. So then I take my highlighting brush that I use for highlighter, and I just kind of like sweep off the setting powder. I have this Sephora highlighter palette, a combination of these two. I use a pencil liner because I've never been able to master liquid eyeliner. I'm gonna super curl my eyelashes. Are you just here to annoy me? I use Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir mascara. It's my favorite mascara. I've been using it for a couple of years now. I'm gonna blow dry my hair and then get dressed and head to the festival. So here is my finished look for today. Got these high-waisted jeans, my Fila's, cause I ain't about that life today. Did my hair with like some little small braids through it, and with these glasses, yeah?
Yeah. Where's my churro?
You always want churros.
Oh, look at that line for the churro. Let's go watch.
For day 3 of Coachella, I'm thinking about wearing these cut-off Levi shorts. These are from Sorella on Melrose with this hand-loo top, this fringe top that is like a halter that's really tight at the neck. This belt fanny pack that's really neutral and really chic. I really love this. This is from Sorella too, with these amazing snakeskin and velvet cowboy boots. I love them. These are from Doll's Kill, with some gold earrings and some glasses. So kind of more casual today, but still really cute. I'm really excited, so let's go. That's a wrap on Coachella. Okay, so our favorites: Billie Eilish, Fozzy, Zed, Ariana Grande,
And Dennis Lloyd.
Could have done better, I think. Maybe she'll do better next weekend. I don't know. We won't be here to see it. Khalid was alright. It's done. It's over.
Thank you.
Oh
Next.
my god.
Thank you. Next.